Consider a world without the electric engine. Difficult, isn't it? A world without the silent glide of electric cars down the road, without the whir of electric trains, without the quiet hum of electric bikes zipping through the streets. Picture a day in your life devoid of these sustainable sounds, can you? The electric, a remarkable piece of engineering that is fast becoming the backbone of our transport systems. In essence, it's a device that uses electricity to generate power, hence the name electric engine. The resulting force is used to turn the wheels, powering our vehicles forward. But why was it created in the first place? The answer lies in the dawn of the Green Revolution. The need for cleaner, more efficient means of transportation was growing rapidly. Gas-guzzling cars and smog-producing factories were taking a toll on our planet. The world was crying out for a solution, and the electric engine answered that call. It was a game changer, a technological marvel that catapulted us into a new era of green mobility. It revolutionized travel, industry, and the very way we live our lives. The electric engine is shrinking our carbon footprint, making it possible for us to explore far and wide, to move goods and people faster, and with less harm to our planet. But it wasn't always the efficient, powerful machine we know today. The journey of the electric engine is a story of innovation, of trials and errors, of countless tweaks and improvements. It's a story of human ingenuity, of our relentless pursuit of progress, of our determination to push the boundaries of what's sustainable. This story isn't over yet. In fact, it's still being written. The electric engine continues to evolve, to adapt, to meet the changing needs of our world. Now let's journey back to the year 2000, a significant year in this evolutionary tale. The year 2000, a time of rapid technological advancements and the dawn of a new era for the electric engine. In this year, the world of engineering saw significant strides in the development of these engines, with the industry focusing on efficiency and sustainability like never before. The year of the Millennium was a time of reflection and foresight. As we stepped into a new century, there was a growing awareness of the environmental impact of our technology, and the electric engine was no exception. It was clear that the age-old design needed a revamp for the new century. Engineers and designers began to focus on creating more energy-efficient models. The aim was to extract more power from each bit of electricity, reducing wastage and increasing the overall performance of the vehicles. The approach was twofold: refining the engine design for better electricity usage and improving the battery quality for longer life. This era also saw the introduction of technologies like regenerative braking and direct drive, which allowed for better control of the electricity use. These advances led to engines that not only consumed less electricity, but also produced fewer emissions. But it wasn't just about efficiency. The push for reducing emissions was equally strong. The world was waking up to the impact of carbon emissions on our climate, and the automotive industry was under pressure to make changes. Engineers started to integrate emission control systems into their designs, such as advanced battery management systems. These systems helped to significantly reduce the harmful pollutants released by the engines. Innovation was the buzzword of the time, and it was driving the electric engine into a new era. There was an exciting sense of progress and possibility. The electric engine, a design that had remained largely unchanged for over a century, was being reshaped for the needs of the new millennium. The turn of the millennium marked a significant leap in the evolution of the electric engine. As the world started to grapple with climate change, the concept of the electric engine began to take center stage. It was no longer sufficient to focus solely on speed, efficiency, and reliability. The necessity for a cleaner, more sustainable solution became increasingly crucial. The early years of the 21st century marked an escalating awareness of environmental issues. The understanding that our deeds were affecting the planet's climate led to an intensified focus on reducing carbon emissions. This shift in global consciousness had a profound influence on the automobile industry, particularly the development of electric engines. Responding to these environmental concerns, car manufacturers began to introduce fully electric models. These vehicles solely used electric motors, signifying a significant leap towards greener technology. The electric car's ability to run purely on electricity resulted in zero tailpipe emissions, dramatically reducing the overall environmental footprint. But the pursuit of greener technology didn't stop there. Scientists began to explore advanced battery technologies, such as solid-state batteries, to further enhance the performance and range of electric vehicles. These innovations offered the potential to revolutionize the electric engine's efficiency and sustainability. Research and development in these areas continue to this day, with the aim of creating more efficient, cleaner electric. Interestingly, the green revolution wasn't limited to the engines themselves. It also initiated changes in the way we manufacture and dispose of cars. Focus shifted toward more sustainable practices, including the use of recyclable materials and the application of energy-efficient manufacturing processes. Essentially, the green revolution served as a wake-up call for the automotive industry. It challenged manufacturers to think beyond the conventional confines of the electric engine. The urgency of climate change necessitated innovation, and in response, the industry delivered some of the most significant advancements in the history of the electric engine. Climate change forced a reimagining of the electric engine, leading to some of the most significant advancements in its history. In the face of increasing environmental concerns, a new contender emerged: the electric engine. This innovative technology has been propelling vehicles for over 2 decades, promising a cleaner, more sustainable future. The rise of electric engines represents a significant shift in the automotive industry. Unlike engines that run on fossil fuels, electric engines operate on electricity. They are powered by rechargeable batteries, which can be refilled at charging stations or even at home, making them a convenient and eco-friendly alternative. But it wasn't a smooth road to acceptance. The electric engine faced many hurdles, from range anxiety to the lack of charging infrastructure. However, the relentless pursuit of engineering and technological advancements has allowed these challenges to be gradually overcome. Today, we see longer driving ranges, faster charging times, and a growing network of charging stations worldwide. The emergence of electric engines has significantly impacted the traditional internal combustion engine. The once unbeaten titan of the automotive world is now facing a formidable challenger. With countries and cities around the world setting ambitious goals to phase out fossil fuel engines, the internal combustion engine is under threat. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The rise of electric engines also presents several opportunities. The need for new technologies and infrastructure opens up avenues for innovation and job creation. Additionally, the internal combustion engine still has a role to play in hybrid vehicles, where they work in tandem with electric engines to offer a balance of power and efficiency. In conclusion, the rise of electric engines has set the stage for a seismic shift in the automotive industry. It's a revolution driven by the need for sustainability and the desire for innovation. With the rise of electric engines, the internal combustion engine faces an uncertain future. As we stand on the brink of a new era, what does the future hold for the electric engine? The electric engine, a revolutionary force in the automotive industry and a symbol of human technological advancement, finds itself facing an exciting future. The decline of internal combustion engines, spurred by increasing environmental concerns and advancements in battery technology, constitutes a significant opportunity. Yet, it's not all smooth sailing for the electric engine. In the face of this change, the electric engine is not resting on its laurels. Engineers and scientists across the globe are laboring to refine and adapt the electric engine to the evolving landscape of the automotive industry. One avenue of research focuses on improving energy density. After all, a battery with higher energy density can store more power, reducing both charging time and environmental impact. Technologies like lithium-ion batteries and solid-state batteries, which were once cutting-edge, are now commonplace. Tomorrow's advancements may include things like graphene batteries, which promise longer driving range with fewer charging times. Another approach is to enhance the sustainability of the electric engines. Renewable energy sources, recyclable batteries, and efficient manufacturing processes are all being explored as potential ways to make electric engines even more eco-friendly. These alternatives to conventional methods could allow the electric engine to continue to serve us, while significantly reducing its environmental impact. But perhaps the most exciting area of development is in hybrid systems. By combining an electric motor with a smaller, more efficient internal combustion engine, these systems aim to offer the best of both worlds: the efficiency and low emissions of electric power with the range and refueling speed of traditional. The challenge is significant, but so too is the potential reward. The electric engine has been with us for a few decades, propelling us forward quite literally, in ways that were once unimaginable. It has evolved and adapted and will continue to so. The evolution of the electric engine is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability, a journey that continues to this day.